Hazrat Zaid bin Aslam reports from his father, I, accompanied by Hazrat Umar bin Khattab, went to the market. Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu came across a woman who said, O the chief of the believers, my husband has died leaving small babies behind. By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I don't even have the goat trotters to roast. There is neither any agricultural land nor is any milch animal for them. So I fear lest they should die of starvation. I am the daughter of Hazrat Khufaf bin Ima Ghifari, and my father accompanied the Prophet ﷺ at Hudaybiyah. So Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu stood beside her and did not resume his walk. He radiyallahu anhu then said, Welcome. Your genealogy is extremely close to mine. He then moved towards a bulky camel fastened at home and loaded it with 2 sacks full of grains and put some cash and clothes in it as well. He then, handing the tether of the camel on to the woman, said, Take it right now, and Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will grant you better than it before it get depleted. A man said, O the chief of the believers, you have granted this woman much of wealth. Whereupon Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu said, May your mother weep over you. By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I saw your father and brother besieging a castle for ages and then conquered it, and in the morning we were getting even their shares. They had embraced martyrdom. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 4160 and 4161.